In 1944, Bo Frese starts a small foundry in the backyard of his house in Slagelse, Denmark. He purchases the neighbouring property shortly afterwards, also for foundry work purposes, and registers his company, Freses Metallstøberi and Metallvarefabrik, on May 1, 1944. Frese is a family-owned business based on quality, honesty and excellent business acumen. Bo Frese's son Johnny takes over the running of the company, and today Bo's grandchildren, Kim, Klaus and Tina Frese, have leading positions in product development and delivery of new products to new global markets. At the start of the decade, Frese was a small local company that made pots and pans. During the 50s, the production gradually changed, leading to the development and manufacture of taps and valves. Bo Frese purchases an industrial site from the local municipality in 1960. The site is outside town, and Bo builds a factory there, where it still stands today. The site has been developed several times and new buildings added. The total production area is now more than 15,000 square meters. Production steadily increased during the 60s. The many Danish shipyards, building ferries and merchant ships all require pumps and equipment made of bronze. The detached housing boom of the 70s fuels an increased demand for plumbing products, including taps, creating new market opportunities for Frese to exploit. In the middle of the 70s, the first hot stamping was installed in the factory, making production more automatic and industrialized whilst increasing efficiency. The factory expands yet again. The first CNC machine marks the start of the automation process, increasing productivity and improving product quality. The installation of induction melting in the foundry leads to large energy savings and improves the general working environment. Frese becomes the leading Scandinavian manufacturer and supplier of plumbing products. Frese introduces automatic balancing valves for the heating, cooling and ventilation markets. Frese divides into two independent production entities. One develops and manufactures valves based on their own patents and sells to markets around the world. The other, the foundry, becomes certified by De Norsk Veritas, DNV, and focuses on the maritime industry in Northern Europe. The combination of these two individual business areas puts the company on a sure footing. Frese now has all of the skills required to develop the best solutions and increase customer support, on land and at sea, across the world. Frese installs the largest automatic molding line in a European metal foundry. The production area once again is increased. Frese strengthens its market position further with a broad range of automatic balancing valves, including an extended range of control valves. Frese issues patents on more innovative technology for the automatic balancing of heating and cooling systems. Frese balancing valves are widely used in hotels and other large buildings around the world. The valves provide users with substantial energy savings due to their excellent balancing options and design. Frese's seawater-resistant foundry technology for materials such as bronze and stainless steel leads to more efficient pump systems for ships and the maritime industry, and is now certified by Lloyds and Bureau Veritas. MagmaSoft, the comprehensive casting simulation tool, is installed at Frese and increases quality by identifying problems and potential production faults before production begins. Frese is now an international company with subsidiaries in Denmark, the UK, Germany, Turkey, the Middle East, China and Australia. Frese also has many distributors all over the world. Frese continue to produce and deliver quality, engineered solutions for many international construction projects, cruise liners and container ships, power and heating plants, offshore installations and firefighting equipment using seawater. Today and for the future, the Frese Group consists of innovative specialists finding new solutions based on excellent craftsmanship, industry experience and expertise, and technological insight. Frese products and services will continue to be part of a global solution in the future.